In today's video, I'll show you how to create a macro in Zendesk, a great way to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. First, sign into your Zendesk account. Head to the Views section on your dashboard to see your list of tickets. Select the ticket you want to use as the basis for your macro. Next, click the three dots icon on the ticket page to open additional options and select Create as Macro. You'll now see a screen prompting you to enter a name for your macro. Make sure it's clear and descriptive so you and your team can easily identify it later. You can also add an optional description to explain the macro's function or provide any specific details for your team. Once everything looks good, click Create to save your macro. And that's it, now ready to use. It will help automate repetitive actions, save time, and ensure consistency in your customer service workflows. Feel free to create multiple macros for different tasks and watch your efficiency grow. Thanks for watching, and happy Zendesk